So, first of all, very good evening. How have you been?
Yeah, good evening. I am doing excellent. And yeah, it's a sudden meeting because
Yes.
I was thinking that you are not free now. So, yeah, it's
No,
good to see you.
actually, yeah, but I felt like that maybe I will not free, but somehow I was able to manage all the things. That's all.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so we are meeting for the first time. Please introduce yourself. Then I
Okay.
will.
Yeah. I am Anu. Basically, I am from Bihar, but I was brought up in Delhi and right now I live in Greater Noida. I am a homemaker and mother of toddler, one baby girl. And if I'm talking about my education, so I have completed my graduation and post graduation in political science subject. And after that, if I'm talking about my hobbies, so there are many hobbies like dancing, stitching, traveling, and nowadays connect with learners on video call to improving my communication skills. So yeah, this is all about my side.
That's great. Okay, you have
Yes.
so many good hobbies. And
Yeah.
yeah,
What about you,
okay,
Rinki?
so yeah, let me introduce myself also. So, as you know, my name is Momita. I am actually from Kolkata, West Bengal, but currently live in USA just due to my husband's job. It's been 2.5 years we have been living here, and I completed my master's and MCA from India, and along with that, I used to teach there mathematics, but here I am completely homemaker, and I have a toddler. She is now 2 years old. So I am now full-time mom, and I am working on my communication skills nowadays. That's why I have opened a channel also by the name English Vibes with Momita. That's all about me.
Oh yeah, that's great. So how have you been? You started your channel?
Yeah, it's been 4.5 months I have been running this channel. So this is only for the learning purpose. So
Yes,
because
absolutely.
I wanted to create an environment around me. That's why for
Mm,
practicing.
yeah, same with me. I also started my YouTube channel just because of learning purpose. Because I feel that if I create my channel, so in this way I will make myself in a creative way. And when you are make yourself in a creative way, then you will easily maintain your consistency. That's how
Right.
I also started my channel.
Yes, yes, because having a toddler is really a
Sometimes it is
tough
challenging.
tough task. It's really challenges for us to maintain a consistency because we don't get much time for us. And whatever time now I get, I try to maintain my consistency. And there is a hidden pressure that I have a channel and I have to upload their video. So yes, this kind of
Yes.
things happens.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay,
So,
so
what is the time there? You live in
here
USA right now,
it's 9:40
9:40 p.m. a.m.
a.m. a.m. It's morning.
Okay,
Okay.
yeah, that's great. Here is 8:10 p.m.
Yes, yes, and you are actually in the early morning. It's the breakfast time, and I need to feed my baby also at the proper time. Otherwise, she will start making tantrum, and that's why
Yes,
I first settle her down. Then I try to start this.
yes,
Otherwise, she will just bother me and completely ruin the session. Okay,
yes,
how old is your
absolutely.
daughter?
My daughter is only 15 months. She has
Okay.
completed her 15 months.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, she too
So,
young.
yeah, just completed 1 year. Okay, so you
Yes,
live in a
yes.
joint family or in a nuclear family?
Yeah, I live in joint family. There are seven
Okay.
members in my family, me, my
Okay.
husband, my daughter, my in-laws, and two brother-in-law.
Okay, okay. So, yeah, that's a great because there are someone who can take care of her for sometimes. You can get
Yes,
some
yes,
free
yes.
time. Yeah, it's
Yes,
needed.
absolutely. This is the benefit of living in joint family.
Mm-hmm. And it's
So what
needed
is
for mom also. Mm.
yes. So what is the weather there in US?
Here it's also the starting of winter. So after sunset we need sweater, but in the morning it's moderate. We don't need that.
Okay, similar with India.
Yeah, yeah. Here it's
Okay.
similar like India.
Yeah,
But there
that's
are
great.
so many other states that now there is very chilly and sometimes the snowfall there is happening every now and then. but I am blessed because I don't like too much cold.
Yes. So which kind of video do you upload your channel?
Yeah, mainly conversation video, and sometimes I upload shorts also. And yeah, I don't make vlog, but I went when I visit any good places here because it's new for me also. So I try to uh, recorded some video, and there I do voiceover in English. So that is also a kind of practice for me. So that's
Yes,
why, yeah, I do that.
yes.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I came across your channel yesterday, and I saw some of your videos, and then I got
yeah.
your WhatsApp number because we are in a same English group.
Yes,
There is a group in
dedicated.
WhatsApp.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So how long
Because
have you
yesterday
been?
I sent my link on this group, so
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
why
yeah.
we will connect easily.
Mm-hmm.
Because nowadays I am also searching the people if they are interested to connect on video call, but rarely they are interested because they said that no, I'm not comfortable on video call. First of all, I have to gain confidence, then I will connect on video call. I'm say that okay, okay, okay.
No, and this is another problem. That's why I have opened my channel because otherwise, all the time I need to search people that please come and join with me. But when you have a channel, then so many others people also will come and join with you because nowadays so many learners are there. And
Yes,
yes, now you have
yes,
just started, so eventually so many people will come to you. And but I didn't
yes.
find your email ID there.
Okay, I will mention
Yeah,
there.
otherwise people how they will connect with you because nobody we have a similar group, that's why I found you, otherwise it's not possible. I was trying to find your email ID.
Okay, okay. I will sending you my email ID as well,
Yeah,
and I will mention on my channel as well
yeah, yeah.
because I started randomly my channel. I didn't aware that I have to mention my email ID as well. That's why.
Hmm. Yeah, we though we have put our email ID on the description, then also so many people ask in the comment section that how can I connect with you? Then also in the comment section, I need to mention the email ID. But yeah, if there is a email ID mentioned, that it's really helpful. Otherwise, the people will not able to connect with you. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
so how
yeah.
long have you been learning this language?
Yeah, I have learning this language last approx 1 month. Oh, sorry, 1 year.
Okay.
Actually, when my daughter was only 3 months old, so that time I went to my maternal house, and one day I just sitting alone and I just scrolling my YouTube. So in this way, I suddenly came in across the conversational videos, and after watching the conversational video, I felt like that this is the key where I can learn easily because here what we are doing kind of gossip, but the thing is
Yes.
that we are talking about growth, progress, and as well as we are talking in a language. We are not talking about the that subject we have to pressurize, we have to learn this grammar, that
Hmm.
we are nothing
There is
like
no
that. We are
pressure
not
of
doing.
not making mistakes. Nobody will come to judge you. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
And
So
it's
that's how.
really very true that conversation video is actually inspiring a lot of people
Yes,
because
absolutely.
whenever I come across any people, any new learner, they tell me that yeah, suddenly I came across a conversation video, and from there I started to started my journey. So it's really an
Yes.
inspiring thing.
Absolutely. And I
Mhm.
also get interest there because I feel like that, yeah, I am easily learn here because that time what I did, I have a toddler. First of all, I have to take care to her. But the thing is that I just play this video and put it my phone, and just I did just listening part. Even sometimes I watched the screen, but sometimes I avoid because I have to do another thing as well. So that's
Mm.
how, but gradually it's become habitual to listening. So then gradually I gained day by day interest, and then after I started following LSRW method, like listening, writing. I didn't
Mhm.
do writing. I didn't do reading. Apart from reading, I did everything like shadowing practice, writing, and whenever I felt like that I did some grammar mistakes. So I just ask the AI to check my grammar error, and then whatever they suggest me, I started then shadowing practice. Practice is also helps a lot because initially I didn't have courage and confidence to speak even a single sentences in front of everybody. But yeah, due to connect with learners on audio call, where I felt like that there is no one who can judge me. So I can talk easily, whatever come in my mouth, I can speak. So
Hmm.
day by day, gradually, I gain confidence, and I didn't realize that when I gain fluency as well. So yeah.
Right. Okay. So I have one question. You practice shadowing. So, and so many people tell that shadowing is really helpful. So I want to
Yes.
ask from you for the beginner who are trying to start their journey. So, is it boring at first? So, and how you manage that? Okay, I have to be consistent because if you practice shadowing for 2 days and stop, then that will not help you. So what is the motivation and what is the help you got from this shadowing and how you maintain your consistency?
Actually, first of all, I am doing initially stage. I did lots of self talk, and when
Hmm.
I felt like that, if I'm going to convey my this thought, so how I will able to convey. So in this process, whatever I think, I thought that I just write it down on my notebook, and then after I asked the chat GPT check my grammar error, and then whatever they suggested me, and after that I start shadowing practice because with same with imagination without any mistake. That time I did without any mistake, just imagination, and then after I started to connect with learners with the same topic. So in this way my interest is also make
Hmm.
along with that. So that's how.
Okay.
But
And
yeah, sometimes if I feel whenever I'm watching some video and I feel like that maybe I'm able to pronounce their uh, sorry,
it's okay.
pronunciation this word, I'm able to do that. That time I start shadowing practice as well. Like there is
Okay.
many word, uh supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. This is very
Yeah.
long word. So I am tried, and sometimes I'm also tried tongue twister. May I able to speak? So in this way,
Okay.
personally feel that when you are doing shadowing practice, so in this way you get wonderful pronunciation as well. Because
Okay.
in this
So
way, it's a type of mouth exercise. That's
yeah.
how.
Yeah. So how do you just pick randomly one video and start shadowing practice? Like after one sentence you do?
No, no, no. It's depending on my. If I am feel that here I am lacking, so I have to work upon this. So in this way, I just come. Sometimes I ask Chat GPT. Sometimes I watched video. Whatever I learn, I just write it down on my notebook and start speaking. And sometimes also I record
Okay.
my video. That
Okay.
what about my position?
Okay, okay, but there is a process like you start listening at one video, and after listening one sentence, you are repeating that sentence like them, how they are pronouncing the word, and how they are saying the voice modulation, everything. And after then you again resume the video. After one sentence, you again pause, and you are just telling this process or just
Yeah, I am doing all kind of process. Sometimes I am speak one sentence, and sometimes I am speaking in a paragraph as well.
Okay, okay, okay,
Yes,
that's great.
it's depending on my interest as well.
Mhm. Okay,
Yeah,
so now, yes, you are now, you can convey your thoughts and you are fluent. But yes, there is
yeah.
no end. So we are also in a process where every day we are learning.
Yes, yes, yes. Somehow, even today, most of the time, I'm not able to convey my thought in a proper way. So I felt
Hmm.
like that, I feel like that, no, I have to work upon this more and more. So yeah, and yeah, call is also very helpful for us because in this
Right.
way, after recording, when we are watching our video, so
Mm-mm.
observe that where we are lacking, where we have to work upon it. Many things we are observing, and also in this way we feel motivate as well. That now here I am speaking well. So
Yes.
this thing is a great for us
Right.
as compared to audio call. Initially, audio
Mm.
call is good, but
Yeah,
after later
because
on you have to connect on video call as well.
yes,
In this way,
because
we gain
uh,
confidence as well.
not only English speaking, along with that, your body language and your eye contact and your
Yes,
confidence level,
absolutely.
everything is needed. And when you are recording a video call at that time, you can see that how I am behaving in front of camera. That is really
Yes,
important.
yes,
And I have observed that day by day, uh, I when I watch my video, I observe myself that okay, I am sitting like this, I am connecting, I make the eye contact properly, this kind of things I observe, and then from the next video call I try to fix that also.
yes, absolutely. Yeah,
Yeah,
video
so
call
who
is
are
very
just
helpful.
hesitating nowadays that no, I am not comfortable, but they have to start from today. So day by day, obviously they will improve. If you don't start, then it's not possible.
Yes, and you know what? When we are connecting on audio call, so that time we are easily able to talk more and more. But whenever it is come on video call, that time I feel stuck that what should I have to ask? This is
Hmm.
happening. And also I am in this way, I am a beginner. So that is why it is happening. Then yeah, gradually I will overcome this problem as well.
Yeah.
Because it is come from your consistency. It is
Hmm.
overcome your consistency. That's
Yeah,
why.
actually, for my case, I didn't practice on audio call, never, because though I am in this kind of group, but due to the time zone issue, I can't connect with anyone most of the time. I am not active in that group. Uh, and another thing is that I have a toddler, so I can't sit with the mobile and I just messaging, and no one is here to take care of her, right? Now you message me, and just for 30 minutes I keep her with my husband, because now today he is working from home, that's why it's possible.
Mm.
Otherwise it's very difficult. so
Yes,
from the
yes.
so it's been almost 5 months I have been practicing only on video call.
Yeah, that's great. I'm also trying to practice
Hmm.
on video call, but somehow there is no one who is interested to practice on video call.
No, no, you also start approaching to the people, because
Hmm.
just randomly select the people, and everyone is waiting actually. And then when you start uploading so many video, your video will reach to so many people, then they will also approach you. So yeah,
Yes,
definitely.
absolutely.
Nowadays, there are so many people. Don't restrict yourself to only that group.
Yes. Okay, I have a question that I have to ask. What about your editing? Which application do you use for editing?
Okay, so for editing, I use InShot.
In short.
Yeah,
So
because.
so
Hmm.
do you upload your video with lyrics or what?
No, not till now. I haven't add the subtitle or anything. Just the automatic subtitle which YouTube provide. Yes, I am searching for something which will provide the subtitle. But obviously, I am searching for free of cost now, because I don't because I am just practicing now, so I don't want to pay anything for subtitle. So that's why,
Yes,
yeah,
yes,
I'm
yes.
searching
Yeah,
that.
yes, I'm also searching if someone tell me about free of cost.
Yeah, and there are so many editing application, but for mobile use, InShot is really great. So I use
Okay.
that because yeah, I don't get much time to sit in front of my laptop and just editing. So whenever I get time, I use only mobile.
Okay. Yeah, I'm using VN application. It is come on my comfort zone. I'm not using
Okay.
InShot and another,
Okay.
but
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. Whatever you are comfortable nowadays, so many applications.
Yeah, but whenever I went the lyrics, then they this application uh, require the paid for lyrics.
Okay. Okay. Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. For now, I don't want to go for the payment paid application. That's why I
Yes, yes.
just.
Yeah, because here we are only doing practice.
Hmm. Yeah.
And also, when we are watching our first video and today's video, there are lots of difference. Here we
Yeah.
are not only here, if we are here, just not only, subscription and get more and more view. We are doing kind of practice as well.
Yes. Yes. Okay. So now your daughter is only 15 months old. So how is your experience as a new mom?
Yeah, it's great. It's great, and in fact, I would like to say that she is push me out of my comfort zone. That go, mama, and do whatever you want. I'm with you, because I today I am learning this language, so it is come on my comfort zone. That is why I am learning. Otherwise, I will not able to do. So that's how. And I
Yes.
started this language when she was only 3 months old. So that time also it was come in my comfort zone. That is why I was able to learn.
Hmm.
Otherwise, initial days, newly mother, that time they thought that I have to take care to my daughter, and that time they feel very irritated, but that was nothing, that was not happening with me. So just because
Okay.
I feel that she is also my key, that she is
Definitely.
also my growth of tea, oh sorry, key. Sorry.
Yes, yes, because we always now the only one way to influence them to work on ourselves, and when we can work on ourselves and we can be the better version of ourselves, then definitely we can be the role model in front of them, and they will follow us.
Yes, yes. And also, before conceive my baby, actually before marriage, I was after completing my study, I was doing, sorry, before completing my study I was doing government exam preparation, that was SSC. But later on I felt like that it is there were lots of competition, and it is not cup of tea, so I lost my interest as well. Then with the same time corona had come and my marriage was fixed. So after getting married I totally lost my interest to continue my preparation. Then that time I thought that what should I have to do. So I felt like that I have to learn some skills. So that time I little bit know about the stitching. Then I started work upon that. Like that time I made a dresses from old sari, and also I'm a very fond of making video and all. So I started make a dress and upload on social account. And also for learning purpose I join a um, boutique as well. So in
Okay.
this way, yeah, in this way I people were start liking my videos as well. But when I conceive my baby, so I didn't have option to continue my stitching. So I stopped that time. But today I feel that I have to also started my that channel as well, and
Yeah,
and conversational channel as well. So
right.
I feel that, yeah, earlier I was only running one channel, and now I am running two channels.
Very good, very good. Yes, this is the inspiration, and yeah, this is really nice. And
Yeah.
this is the improvement of ourselves, I must
Yes, yes,
say.
yes.
Yeah,
Yeah, absolutely.
and we are learning every day. So there are so many things we can learn and we can grow. Actually, social media is there nowadays, and there are so many other options also. But it's up to us how we are using this social media, because there are bad side or good side also.
Absolutely. Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes. It's
Well,
totally up to person that
mm,
how they are utilized. Because, on YouTube, there are many things where you can learn whatever you want. Easily you
mm,
can learn. But
right,
yeah, it
right.
is totally depending on person to person.
Mm. Okay, so if you have any question, otherwise we can wrap it up because it's almost 30 minutes.
Okay, I have a question that how long have you been learning this language?
Okay, I am learning this language. Oh, from the last when my daughter turns 1 year, then I started learning this. So now she is 2 years. So it's been 1 year, completed 1 year, 1 year, 2 months, this kind of. So, but at that time I didn't speak. I only started listening and self-talk, this kind of things, and I was consistent. So from then I am consistent. Every day I listen to so many good video, conversation video, podcast, and even in my case also I started with conversation video. And when I
Mm-hmm.
came across, because I tried so many things, when I came across to the conversation video, I thought, okay, this is something good. From there
Yes.
I can start, and this is really helpful for me. So from
Yeah.
then I started watching conversation video, and along with that so many other video, and due to the YouTube algorithm, so many others people conversation videos started coming to my on my feed, and I started watching. And due to this I was improving day by day. But then also when I went to outside and I started speaking with some real people, I faced problem. Then I thought that
Mm-hmm.
no, I have to speak every day on a daily basis. Then I
Yeah.
started my channel. It's been 5 months almost I am speaking. And before
So
that
do.
I
Hmm.
was just listening and self talk.
Okay. So do you upload your video with consistency or what?
Yeah, till now I try to maintain consistency. Sometimes it happens that I can't upload every day,
Mm-hmm.
weekly 2 or 3, this kind of things I am doing, because yes, because editing
And
everything takes
yeah,
time.
and yes, and also this conversational video is come on our comfort zone as well. There's no
Hmm.
need to do preparation and record and do, if you are
Yes,
making a solo video, on that video there is lots of work. But
preparation
whenever
before
it is
that.
come
Yes,
conversational, so there's no need to, preparation more and more.
yes, yes. That's
Yeah.
true.
So what is the purpose behind to learn this language?
Okay, so many purpose actually. Nowadays it's a global language, so it's needed to survive. And another thing is that I am now in USA, so that is another reason I have to speak in English only. And maybe next year my daughter will go to school. Then there is another purpose. And another thing is that I also want to do something on my own. In India I used to teach. So yeah, we are not settling here, we will back to India. But yes, I want to do something on my own. For that also it's needed. So yeah, so many purpose.
Yeah, that's great. Okay, so you live in US. So what is your favorite place there?
Yeah, my favorite place means here we didn't get so many chance to visit before because of my baby. Because
Yes, yes.
within 6 months I delivered after coming here. Then I spent my all the time with my baby. You know that after having a baby, it's very common. So yeah, now where we live, I like this place. It's like a village, smart village.
Okay.
So the natural beauty is really very good, and it's a calm, quiet place. But everything is within our reach. The technology is really updated. So yeah, I like this place.
Yeah, that's great. And
And
what is
hmm.
the difference between what is the difference culture between India and US?
The culture is completely different. Everything is different. Festival, education, medical system, everything is different. And the uh, even the home culture, like how we treat our child, how we manage our family, they don't. Their culture is completely different. They try to be independent. Their child at a very early age. After 18, they get separated from parents. So that is totally different in their culture. And yeah, but they are also very honest and kind person. So we whenever we get chance to talk with them, it's really nice.
So that time you connect with English.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's
Here
great.
also, and who are coming from India, they are also from different state, so their mother tongue is different. So in that case also, sometimes when we are talking with Indian people, we need to speak in English because we don't know. because in India there are so many language. Everyone's mother, especially the South Indian, they don't know Hindi also. So yeah, so this that's why
Mm-hmm.
English is really needed. Otherwise, it's not possible.
Absolutely. You know, there is a one line, this language is not essential. No, totally. Sorry, I forgot. Sorry,
Yeah,
sorry.
yeah, it happens. No problem. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, I have a one question that, okay, what about the food there?
Food, yeah, their food is different but we are till now stick to our Indian food. So, yeah, bread we have consumed more comparatively in India. Now we are habituated with bread, but not the other thing. We like to go to Indian store and there's everything is available. Every raw material is available. Sometimes it
Okay.
happens that the shop beside your house, there you don't get the very little things. Sometimes you need to go to the market and search in every shop, but here every place everything is available. Every small things is available here, just you need to buy them and make by yourself. Because by if you go to any random restaurant, you will not get that taste. Obviously there is Indian restaurant also, but you can make everything at your home. Every raw
Yes.
material is available.
Okay, that's great. So, are you vegetarian or non-vegetarian?
No, non-vegetarian.
Okay, yeah, that's great. Okay,
Okay.
so now our time is not allow us for having more
Yeah,
and more conversation. So I feel
definitely
very
we will
glad to
connect
connect
again.
with you and thank you so much for giving me your precious time.
Yeah, thank you so much for connecting with me. And yeah, we will connect again. And
Yes,
all the best for
definitely.
your channel also.
Thank you so much.
Okay,
And
bye.
God bless you, you to your channel as well.
Yeah, thank you.